122 square feet close.
Of course, Janesville did it.
Thunderstorm warning for western Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin.
Yeah, I get it.
At 25 p.m. At 9:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over South Beloit, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expects damage to roofs,
Milwaukee's a goat.
and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Elkhorn, Delavan, South Beloit, Milton, Clinton, Sharon, Darien, Richmond, Newark, Tiffany, Abels Corners, Wiwx, Allens Grove, Millard, Avalon, Shapir, Afton, and Emerald Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. Strong thunderstorms will impact Winnebago County for 9:30 p.m. At 8:43 p.m. Double radar.